guess where we are. Where we are, my love?
On the interstate.
On an interstate driving. So we're in Ohio. Weekend visit to our friend. Magkita namin for how many? 1 year and 1 year and 5 months. Kaya nag-adto naman siya sa balay. She already been to our house, so we'll be the one to visit in her house. She's very swarty. So, yeah, last night nagstay kami sa Columbus 6 hours ang biyahe padulong diriya. And then, nagstay kami dito sa Columbus gabi, then karon nagpadayon mi og drive mga 2 hours away. Hapit na mi mabot. Tanaw na to, unsa mong mga reaction. So, I'm so thankful sa akong driver dihang dapitan. Go with the flow, flow with the go. Small po dong. Busy na siya kay hapit na mi maabot. Ilan lang ka minuto. I-update ra mo na mo. Update mo na mo ug sa mga kaganapan diring dapitan. So, you better watch out.
A few moments later.
So, hi guys. Nana ang mga buring. Ay, dili di ay.
Mga bore.
Mga bore. Roar. Nakita namin sa kong boricat nga Omega. Oh, pak! Oh, sino ka dyan? Oh, crop top. Mahalinig balik 5 later.
Oh,
asa minimo gitor day? Sige day, tour me day.
Okay. Tour jack.
Yaw, putay man ako. Marag wadyo tayo may imuan ni day. So, nami diri sa, o sali day? Brandywine?
Brandywine Falls.
Alam, Brandywine Falls.
Tugnaw. Indot kini sa ubos.
So, marag lakaw pa man among na. Diri ka day? Nao.
Okay, follow the leader.
Sipa da ni member.
Sipa the member.
Ano day? Brandywine. Nalindot kay ang falls. Nalindot kay ang falls. Oh. Wow! Nindot dong? Wow, nindot kaayo.
The next day.
Hi! Where are we going?
Guys.
Oh, sige, turn over vlog.
Uy, it's my first time sitting at the back being Disney princess.
Asa ta, Jai? Asa minimo ilaag, Jai?
We're going to Japan 3rd floor.
Yawa. Japan 3rd floor daw. Nada Japan 3rd floor dari sa Ohio day.
Yeah, Ohio 3rd floor.
Tomato mi og safari.
We're going to
Sayara day.
say it na
Safari.
I don't like I'm English ara halata.
Yawa. Mga tumig safari guys. Mananaw mi dito sa amoang kuan, sa amoang mga kagupa. Itong mga
Katrops.
mga katrops na ba ditong mga halas. Na dito. Mga unggoy.
Mga giraffe.
Giraffe, mga zebra So, padalong namin dito.
Dahil lamion ko diya na.
Wapahon ka diring napita.
Kailangan lang brightness kay murag ang naong di maklar.
Welcome to African Safari Wildlife Park.
African Safari Wildlife Park. Your destination will be on your right.
But it says it's kuan man no, drive-in. Halaka wow sa animalism. Ring-tailed. Halaka guwapa.
Manong friend ay
Atong best friend. Hala, si kuan man na red eye. Si Manor. Si Manor na siya. Super pretty. Kani siya. Super guwapo. Hala ka diha. Goa. What's that? Duck? Is that duck, love? O na sila. Daghang koi o. A lot of koi. Ayaw-yaw ka, day?
It's unfair.
You're the tour guide.
They have a nice home and they don't pay bills and they don't work.
Nagayaw-yaw. Gayaw-yaw ka, day. Pretty kayo sila. Kani siya, super pretty.
I'm pretty.
Capybara. Scarlet macaw.
Hi.
Hi! Hi! Are we pretty?
Kulot.
Pretty little baby?
Kulot, kulot. Gusto ko ng crackers. Gusto ko ng crackers.
Say hello.
Hi! Name is Bubbles. Bumbalat.
Bubbles.
Hi!
No. Sima siya dahil.
Hi! Hoy!
Tigling daw ko tingtingog.
Hoy!
Bagbilat. Bagbilat.
Na, magbilat ang ginawa doon.
I want to feed it to you.
You want to feed them?
Yeah, what she got?
Huh?
That's 360.
Yeah. Hala, nagipakaon ni baby girl. Kita na namo among long lost sister. Kita na among long lost sister. Kapit.
Gitawag mo ka dahil. Parang ibang tingog dahil.
Hoy! Sis! What happened to you, sister? Your sister is here.
This is pretty sister. Dito na lang kakaw. Isulod na lang ka na.
Day sad man. Day nalipay siya day because he's happy because the sister is naglabing. Day mawala. Day mawala po tayo dito day. Naglabing silang dua day. Oh, naglabing na silang dua dia. 49 years old na siya day. Lalaki siya. I know, 19 years old.
Except for the black ones. You can't hunt those anymore. Hanging out. Sticks his head out.
Shoot them.
You want to ride? You want to get in and ride?
No, I cannot feed them.
Look, she's making that baby move. See his feet hanging out?
Yeah.
His feet hanging out. Feet hanging out. All curled up. She's rubbing on it.
We're gonna go get some
It's time to get out. You're weighing me down here.
Wala ka gibugatan na imong gidalada. Wala ang giraffe. Hindi ka na muhilak? Si muhila ka, Kyle. Video, okay. Kaya na sa, isa. Hala, kulangan pa man.
Wala na. Sakto na.
Nalingaw.
Kada, videohin ko, day.
Dako ay murag mati.
Day, taos ka siyang dilo.
Sige na, pagdali.
Ano ko, day, taos ka siyang dilo, day.
Taas mo bukag dila. Ay! Ay, hatag. Ay. Burik ka
Ang
to.
taas ng dila niya. Day, picture na, day. Higwa. Familiar po rin sila sa mga birds, no? Kaya mga lupad mo sila. Hala, sa Southeast Iraq, rabi din na sila. Sub-Saharan Africa. Ya kita, Sub-Saharan Mindanao man ta. Mga taga Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Day, alin ako, day? Na ako'y pailailan nimo. Ana sila, taga Sacred Ibis lives throughout Sub-Saharan Africa. Onya, kita kay taga Sub-Saharan Mindanao man ta.
Asa sila Joy og Troy oy? Ginlunok na sa sang ano dai sang kanang akunda. Oh, namatay ang ano akunda? Anakunda kay natunog. Ay lala ni ano. Ano yan? Pwede na sa ilang ako. Lagi no?
Porcupine.
Porcupine.
Hala na ay albino oh. Albino.
Albino?
Albino ogis na siya kay puti.
Hey, don't do that.
Lay ayaw lay. Ay butan man lalay no. Alligator dili buaya. Unsa kay diferensya?
Kuan, magnipis ni nga kuan ang buaya kay
Dako. Baboy ra mo man na sa to ano? Baboy halas. Nanago ilang butterfly dai. So guys, manamig walk through. Karon drive through. Through the fire.
Through the fire. So after this we're gonna eat. And then we're gonna go to the lake.
I don't know what's the plan. Hala, naka-experience na jud mi. Dapat kami naamta ta diri dai. Dai naamta ta diri aday kay mga patay gutom man ta dai.
So we belong in here in the safari. We need to close our window.
Yeah, until we are in the red pole
Past the red pole. They don't
or
want you
past
to
the
get
red pole.
the animals past the red pole.
Tilamig ka dito.
Look at them horns. They tear up your car.
Oh. At least anad na sila tawo no. Anad na sila tawo no. Hi. Na diri pa jud sa manungag. You have to open naman na.
Oh, they didn't put it out the window. Look at them. They're going to tear up their car. They'll hold it out the window. I'm not liking this.
Kasi sungagon ba? No, kasi manungag sila nato ba? Giatay na
Lagay
sila.
ng sungay dahil.
Dai.
These big ones, they tear your car. They're up. Look at that. They rolled the window up. Now it's going to tear the window up.
Kuya pa, inig mo ano? Dai, ang lubot, ang kibot.
What happened to you?
What happened to you? I want some smaller ones. We don't need no big ones.
Dato tao kay dagko kay day basi sungagon ta day ba masan mga kamangutan sila sa tong daguan.
Yeah, oh, my relatives.
My family. Ano
Want to
da?
get out and feed that one?
No.
I don't know. I'd rather feed a small one somewhere or something.
They're all there.
They're up against
That
nothing with horns.
dato tao katura o.
Ako to the small ones.
Here comes a small one.
The other one is asking for stuff. On your side.
You can
Like.
eat anything. Feed them. I'm afraid that the horns is going to tear something up.
Lagi.
Oh, there's small ones.
Ali mo Inday. Inday kaon mo Inday. Ali.
Hey,
This one.
Jim, come out and get this. Give it. Hold
You're
your cup.
there.
Hold your cup.
You're there.
Hold your cup out. Out away from the car. Out.
Ah. Hala kanon ala hot ayaw hotda. Hoy dalo. Hala. Hoy. Daluon ka. Hala, nagyawa ka. Yati dong, eksarado, close. Close!
You gotta feed.
Ayun, ay, anak na ko, dili na ko. Dali.
Atay ko.
Ay! Ay! Ah! Wala na naman humag! Ay! Ah! Kabibo ba? Ay, sige, sumawa. Manu. Tama ko kay. Pero day oh.
You gotta hold it out away from the car.
Apit naman ni Mandibunyo.
Me.
You're gonna have them all up here. Quit.
Dali, me. Hindi siya kanahan ako.
Here we go. Come here, Cindy. Come here, Cindy.
Dana nagpadulong ni mo day oh, manungaw gay. Ayaw hot daday, dagan pa dito day. We still have a lot of animals there, love.
Vegetarian.
Don't want no dog food.
Ano day?
Juicy.
Sorry.
Sungaga na siya. Gentle lagi day ang sungay. Gulat na tong isa oh, waiting na siya sa angkor.
What about this one waiting for you?
Huh? Day, ikaw day, feed anang isa day oh. Loy kay day, nagulat na siya nimo day.
You're fine. I ain't gonna hurt you.
Why?
Hey. Let it eat. It's eating. It can't eat.
Meh.
Are you happy now?
Di siya day.
They don't want
Day arte man ka oy, pilian man ka, nakagwapa.
No more.
Hi!
Hi. No more, babe.
Boss.
talk to it. See what's happening.
Hi! Are you hungry? Gigutomin taon kayo mo ang animalism. Ikaw si contestant number 679? Player 679. Hi! Gutom din siya. Na.
Oh, she's still eating.
Dahil mo nang giungitan dahil.
Climb in with you.
Lagi.
Bako baba. Ay, guro tapos mula usap dito. Uy, nahinan na doon sila ha.
Sakto na.
Here.
Is that your brother, love?
I don't know what it is. It's kind of funny.
Palangga.
Silpi na lang kami.
Oy, enjoy ba po di ay?
Wala na ilahi na yun.
Na siya, like siya color.
Sipon siya na yun. Tignan mo lang kani.
Naunsa siya day?
Sipon.
Sipon. Pag nag-usap talaga, lang tambal. Ako ba, gipang, na, anak pag may bisita, o, feed lang mo, love.
You're with oh, naka na ito.
Anak ko. Wala may nidoon ako. Dali ang sana pag-feed.
Wala tao doon.
That's alright.
Artihon na sila, oy, artihon.
Just knocking it out to eat it off the ground.
Nanapod may salain nga stages. Mo gani, ayaw ninyo hotda. Tara, oh, dagang kaayo, oh.
What did he say?
Very nice, yeah. Buffalo soldier. Ay.
What did he say about the animals getting thrown in?
Yes, slowly.
Dahan kayong buffalo.
Oh, dear.
Wala nang buffalo dad ako kayo guys.
I love here.
Can you feed him?
They go past the red post.
Okay. Hi. On the red post there. Yes. Hi. Bahala mo diha kako busog na ko. Mag-isa po dayo bergatla dayo si kon ko ano, si Duldool. Lalaki dahi siya, o utinan man siya.
Kana na isungay lang.
Mga buffalo, o dagko kayo. Hala, dagko siya tutoy dahi. Dagkuan nila dahi, oy. Hala, dagko kayo. Dili lang ko, oy. Malalaking buaya. Uy, mura mag... Hala, dahi. Na.
That's because if you have the sunroof open, they try to come through the top of your car and they put their feet on the side and try to come in.
Hala, nagsunod-sunod.
You gonna feed them anything or no?
No. Dita kay dagko kayo, murag kasarat ang kuan ani. Hala, ang buffalo nagsunod-sunod. Oh. We are stopped in the middle of nowhere. Mga kapuso. Hala, bali nilang simut-simut oh.
Kasi yummy.
Hala ka diha.
Tanawaray.
Hala. Ayaw pa to nga, maligsan ka. Oh, dagang kayo oh.
Grab a hold of his booty.
Nabuyag. Ala. Ala. Hi. Labay lang. Pinili man ni si Tomas.
Stay away from me. They must know that the beginning is where to get all the food. The end, there's not much at the end.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. Throw it out on the ground. Look at all of them up there. Tons of them. Look at all of
Yeah.
them. Look at all of them laying up against the fence.
Like silly.
Hey, just think.
Alam ba siya nga rin talaga?
Wala na may kuanday, pagkaon. Mga gwapa kaayo. Makalingaw ya pod no, makalingaw.
Latas?
Lettuce, yeah.
Lettuce no, ano yun ako?
Throw it out.
This difference.
Just out on the ground.
Pit na may mahuman, ang last is ang giraffe. Gamay naman kailang animals no, buffalo. Kaya zebra dato oh. Ang zebra di maklaro.
Nakalitas sa marami na dito.
Look at that. Is that a donkey?
Just taking a tree limb and ripping stuff off, putting it back up.
Yeah. They sold a lot. Ito mo palit. Lamig na siya color no, kanang giraffe ba oh. Kagdila no, kita mo to yung dila. Yeah, I was been thinking. It's look like it has been cut. Na, I told you so. Kakas ka siya dila dahil. Maghalas no? Ah!
That makes you girls excited. That big long time.
That's
Scary.
It's long, isn't it? Wait. See this one. That's it.
There you go. Uy, buyagi. Marag malamian ka para maminti day. Kaya taman man sa sulod, mura na mabutin.
What's this one?
Grab na niya, wala niya gamitin dila. You gonna lick it. You gonna shake it. Camel or camel? That's a camel.
Camel wants something to eat too.
No,
I'm saying, I'm right here. Please help me. I'm hungry.
Pero ang zebra, nagtago ang zebra oh. Kuma na mi. Wow, ato na pad mi. Pad mi sa among next destination. Pero anong matulog man ang isa diha? Kaya hay man. Ay tulog ay. Atay ka day, bilin ka na mo day. Day munong ta day, bilin na to sa pagkasada. Bilin na to na siya day, dapli kasada day. Gikatulgan rami sa giatay. Naabot na mi diri ah, mo din ilang dagat. Tabang mang dagata. Parat-parat agi sa ihi. Asgad-asgad. Kyler! Hi, Zay! Hala, ay, naabot na jud mi og ko anak. Halapak, vergat kay kung omega opak. Hi!
Mga untali pa ko sa mga lagam. Oh, really? Wow. Kami halang-halang. Nice, good night pressure ko halang-halang din.
No, babe.
Okay ra ako.
No.
Ganita ni, bahala mo diha. Kaya wag magdakaw.
What's the name of that restaurant we eat at? Yeah, it's good.
The next day.
Di pangitikog na ang day.
Day, salamat.
You're welcome, Day.
Salamat kayo. Day.
Wala pa tayo pang black eyes sa kanya.
Day, lain kay ka, Day.
Day, you're welcome na lagi, Day.
Day, mura kang kawatan, Day. Di man yung balay, Day, no? Ngangkon ra ka, no?
Nagkuan ako, Day.
Nag-rant. Nag-rant para sa amo, ah. Ay, paano man siya, scammer. Scammer, pagkami ka.
Ay, lagi, Day. Kaya ba ka black eyes sa itong now? Dili lang sa.
Day, mura kag iring gabigibidli,
Day,
Day.
sana lang kamok nabilin ba yung indari sa pikas?
Manda, ihapon na. Tulo na nga. Halin na, ano wala, Day?
Ipagbuot.
Ano, Day?
Napalay mo tayo.
Tulo na ko.
Sige na, Day.
Salamat kay Day.
You're welcome, Day.
Mura kontra gusto mo ni Day. Day, thank you kay Day. See you again next year, hopefully. Thank you for adopting 3 years. 3 years?
Ito ako dito.
Salamat pag-adapt 3 months, Day. Ay, 3 days.
Di pa kakabot, balik na.
O, di pa kakabot?
Oh, balik na.
Ah, napamidya. Balik na mi. Thank you, Day.
Bye, Day.
Thank
Love
you.
you, Day.
See you.
you
Love you,
next
Day.
year.
See you in Jessie.
Thank you, Tay. Thank you so much.